Yeah.
Are you still videoing?
Oh yeah.
Are you close open? You know, Kylie, this is all Kylie does. She goes,
Yay.
she gets mad. She goes, wait, she wants something. She goes, watch out.
Yay.
What? She does it like
Contemporary dance.
like. Wait. I can't. I'm not flexible. So like, I know my friend can do it. She's like,
Yes.
Are you sleeping over here?
Yeah, did you hear?
Oh, I didn't hear anything.
Yes!
Are you...
Where is my slippers?
He's picking up tomorrow then.
Huh?
He's picking up tomorrow then.
Yeah.
They're picking up what time tomorrow?
Wait, who's gonna wait? What?
He's gonna pick you up tomorrow. Tomorrow! If you're sleeping here, how are you gonna get
My heartbreak. I'm trying to come here.
Oh, why?
Touch Creek. She's going to Touch Creek with Auntie Emmy.
Tomorrow?
Tonight.
Oh, after what time are we
I've
leaving?
been waiting for you.
Gonna have to call my
You're
brother.
inside my
Dude, but my phone's hella dying.
Let me be. I'm done.
I love it when you scream. They're outside. They're outside. I love it when you scream.
Guess what's in here? Nothing.
Is that my phone or yours? Mine. Mine. Oh, you're in this case.
Oh no.
Come out, guys.
You know you should go somewhere tonight, guys.
We should. We should stick out.
I'm just.
to go bowling.
I want to go bowling. Let's go bowling.
Bowling!
Yeah.
No. You know what we should do? We should all put in our money, like $1 or $2 or something, and one person can bowl, and then we can all just sit there and enjoy the lights. I don't even like bowling.
Not me either.
I'm just gonna sit there and watch you guys.
I want to bowl. I go either way. Like I just go when no one's looking. I go when you guys are.
Cause I look stupid when I bowl. Like,
You guys warm, right? There's always a cop in the back that's walking back and forth.
how
I go
awkward.
every time he passes though. I go.
Stupid.
You're stupid.
No, I'm talking about the cops.
Woo! My brother says I can stay.
Yeah, just stay in the house. No
Guys,
AC.
are you gonna stay? You fucking crazy.